Everyone wants to know the secret shortcuts in self-publishing. But here's the truth. Most of the advice you hear online is either outdated or just downright wrong. Today, I'm going to reveal one of the biggest shortcuts in self-publishing. The one that almost nobody talks about. But it can save you months of frustration and dramatically increase your odds of success. Stick around, because once you understand this, you'll think of publishing in a whole new light. Ready? Let's dive in. Part 1. Why people look for shortcuts. Let's be honest, self-publishing can be overwhelming. You're juggling writing, editing, covers, descriptions, marketing, reviews, and more. And if you're new, it feels like you're buried in tasks. So naturally, people go searching for shortcuts. They want one button they can press, and boom, instant bestseller. That doesn't exist. But what does exist is a way to shortcut years of trial and error. And it's not what people expect. So part 2, the real shortcut. The real shortcut in self-publishing is not about writing faster, or spamming ads, or pumping out low-quality garbage. The real shortcut is about systems and leverage. Let me explain. Think about it. If you treat every book like a one-off, you'll be starting from scratch every single time. But if you create a repeatable system for ideas, for outlines, for covers, even for publishing, then every book after the first one gets faster and easier automatically. That's why the shortcut nobody talks about is building a system once that you can use forever. It's the difference between writing one book and hoping it sells and building a publishing machine that just keeps producing income. So part 3, examples of this shortcut. Let me give you some examples so that way you can see it clearly. Number 1, instead of writing a book completely from scratch, use AI to generate the outline in minutes. That's a shortcut. Number 2, instead of designing a brand new cover every time, use a template that you can adjust in Canva. That's a shortcut. You could also use an amazing ChatGPT prompt to generate a base template for every single cover. That's also a shortcut. And then finally, number 3, instead of struggling with marketing, learn how keywords and categories work once, and then apply that knowledge and those skills to every future book. That as well is a shortcut. Each one of these takes down the time that it takes to publish a book by days or weeks, but together they stack into a system that allows you to consistently publish without burning out. And then finally, the big takeaway. So the big takeaway here is this. The shortcut isn't about skipping steps. It's about creating systems so that way the steps only have to be figured out once. That's how some authors publish one book and disappear, while others publish 10, 20, or even 100 books, because they don't reinvent the wheel every time. If this clicked for you and you want to learn how to build a publishing system step by step, one that takes you from blank page to AI assisted outline to polished manuscript and then finally to a published book on Amazon, that's exactly what I break down inside my course. I'll walk you through every shortcut, every system, and every strategy to go from zero to profitable author. The link is below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.